Helen, Georgia, folks. We're here at Dotty's kitchen. Here's what I got for breakfast. There's Zach and Ron. Eating at the end of the table.
So wholesome. You have no idea. No, we are not at Hoffman's. We are at Dotty's this morning.
Hey Ryan, where are you?
No one knows that
Yeah, you're missing a good breakfast.
Yeah, we got every.
Yeah, Lisa and her husband gave me a ride back. The Cokers went up to the coaster. And there's Danny and her family. I'm back at the hotel. I need to... kind of overcast, but at least it's not as hot. See if he's up. I'm assuming so. All right. Up the steps. On my videos, I don't do much editing. So what you see is what you get. Oh, I thought there was another step. It was right here. Alrighty.